everybody, I'm Paz from Santo branch. Today I am going to teach you some word tips. These are some tips for vocabulary and spelling, okay? Now, these tips I also use myself when I am learning a new word. So I think you might find this very useful. So tip number 1, first you're going to write it down, all right? It's very important for you to write down the words in a vocabulary notebook, okay? If you don't have a vocabulary notebook, you might need to buy one. All right, so first you're going to write down the word and then do step number 2. So you're going to write the definition. The definition is the meaning of the word. Now, I have a little star next to definition because you don't actually need to write it if you can't make a definition by yourself. So for example, here I have the word amazing. As you can see, I drew 2 thumbs up, all right? Amazing means very, very good. So 2 thumbs up also means very, very good. Another way you can define the word, you can write it down in Chinese. Now, only write it in Chinese if you don't know how to explain it. If you know how to explain it, then what you do is you're going to write down your own definition. Don't copy it from a dictionary. So for example, amazing means really great. All right, so after you write it down and you write or draw or translate the definition, you're going to, step number 3, make 16 sentences. Now, it's really important that you make at least 16 sentences. Of course, you can write more than 16 sentences. This will help you out. But you need to write at least 16 sentences in order to remember a word. Why 16? Well, for one, you're not going to write down 16 sentences in 10 minutes. You're going to spend maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and you're going to think really, really hard to make 16 different sentences with the one word that you want to learn, okay? This is after you write the definition, so you already have to know what the word means before you make your sentences. Finally, you have to use it as often as possible. It's very important that you need to review the words over and over and over and over again, otherwise you're just going to forget it, okay? So, here I have my example vocabulary word. The word is amazing, all right? Amazing is an adjective. Now, you can choose to write down the word, the part of speech if you want. It's recommended that you do, that way you know it's a noun, is it a verb, is it an adjective, is it an adverb. You can write down adj or n or v to specify what part of speech it is, and then you're going to define it. So, thumbs up, or 了不起, or really great. Then you're going to make 16 sentences, like Paz is an amazing teacher. Right? What's wrong, David? You don't look like you're having an amazing time.
Go.
Lily, there's something important I need to tell you.
Go ahead, tell me.
Thank you for being such an amazing friend.
It's not a problem.
Hey, Alice!
Yes?
Your earrings look amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Now, when it comes to spelling, sometimes it's really hard to remember how to spell a word, even though you already know it. So here I have some more tips for you to remember how to spell a word. So number 1, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the word. Now, looking is not just you're going to see, oh, amazing, okay, I'm done. No. You're going to look at it and you're going to see how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing has 7 letters. It ends in ing. There are many words with ing, so you don't have to specially remember that. Then you're going to look. A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. So now you're going to read the word. You're going to say amazing. Then you're going to say A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. Amazing. Next, you're going to test yourself. So you're going to cover the word. Put your hand on it, or maybe put a book over it, or put another piece of paper. You're going to cover the word, and then you're going to write it down, how you remember it. So I remember amazing has 7 letters. So that would be, let me erase this actually. So I'm not looking at the word anymore, and I'm going to spell A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. That's amazing. So when I'm done, writing down the word, I am going to check. If I'm right, then I learn how to spell a word. If I'm wrong, then I have to go back again and look at the word, read it, cover it, write it down, and then check it again. Is that clear? Do you have any questions?